Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a rocket ship. Let's doodle! Okay, let's start up here at the top of the page over to this side, right about here, and we're going to draw a big long curved line down here for the side of the rocket ship. So, like this. And you can take your time, there's no rush. And remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time to catch up. And let's do the same on this side for the other side of the rocket ship. And we'll stop like that. We want to leave a little space here at the bottom for the fin. Okay, so let's draw the fin. It's kind of a long oval all the way around, like this. Okay, let's draw the other fins on either side of the rocket. So starting about here on the side, we're going to do like a shark fin shape down and over and hook it around. Like that, and we'll do one on the other side about this spot here on the side, and we're going to go down and wrap it, hook it back up. Like that. Okay, let's draw the window in the rocket ship now. Right here, we're going to do a circle right here on the side of the rocket. So starting up here, we'll go down and around. Like that. And now let's draw a slightly smaller circle inside of that for the window, so it has a ring around the window. Like that. Okay, now let's draw an oval shape here for the reflection, the highlight on the window. Like this. And then we'll do another smaller circle right about here that touches it, like that. Okay, now let's color that window in black. It's kind of like when we do eyes on characters. All right, there's the window. Now let's do some bolts, little dots around the window here on the frame of it to show how it's attached. So a little one there, and 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 one here. It's starting to look like a rocket. Okay, now let's do some lines across the rocket to sort of break up the shape and make it feel like it's made out of metal. So starting up here at the top, we're just going to do a line across like this. So right about here, follow along like that. And now we'll do one that's across down here, and we'll just stop at the fin and continue it on the other side. So starting here, line like that, and a line like that. Okay, let's do the bottom of the rocket and have the fire or the blaster coming out the bottom. It's what makes the rocket go through space. So here we're going to do a little curved line like this. So starting about here, we'll just have the line curve like that. And then we'll continue that line over here and back up to the bottom of the rocket. Like that. Okay, now Let's do some fire coming out of the bottom of the rocket. So this is going to be a bunch of hook lines like this that go all the way around to make the fire shape. So starting here at the bottom, let's do a hook line like this. And then another hook line. And a bunch of them all the way around like this. Let's do one here. You see how they overlap each other to give variety. Okay, now let's do a simpler one inside so we can have it make it really look like fire. So starting here, we're gonna do another hook line down like this. All the way around. And back up. Like that. Now we gotta show some space around it, or some stars and maybe a planet, so we know it's in outer space, right? So here, let's draw some stars. I'm gonna start by doing a star right about here. So this star has 5 points. And let's make it a shooting star, and we'll do some lines coming off of it. So an arching line here like this, and then one like this, and maybe a slightly longer one that comes off of here like this. Now it's a shooting star. And we'll do a smaller star right here. And maybe a little bit larger one up here. Like that. And maybe one small one down here. Let's do one more star here. Okay, now, one last thing. Let's draw a planet over here. And my favorite planet is the ringed planet Saturn. So let's draw Saturn right over here. We're going to start by drawing a half circle here, a half circle line. So right here, we're going to go up and back down like that. And then we're going to draw a line across it, and we're going to hook it around like this. So starting here, we're going to hook it around like that. And then a little bit above where we started that last line, we're going to do a larger ring line around it to make it an oval half circle. Ready? Here we go. Like that. And let's finish the bottom of the planet down here with just a slight half circle. Like that. All right, let's draw some little bit of lines on Saturn. Like that for some detail. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make my rocket ship red, but you can make your rocket ship any color you want. Let's make the fins and the ring around the window blue. Maybe this too blue. I'm gonna make the fire coming at the bottom orange and yellow. Let's make the stars light yellow. And we'll make Saturn an orangey brown with an orange ring. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye!